Hey there, I'm Jason, and today I'm going to show you how to get your first sounds on the trombone. I once had somebody wise tell me that this is a microphone, this is the speaker, and this is the instrument. And it's absolutely true because all of the work happens with the muscles of the mouth. Even before we use a mouthpiece on its own, we need to know how to set the muscles of your face in order to make the right sound. Here's how we do it. Say the letter M. Good. Now this time, you're going to leave the muscles of your mouth there, and you're going to say the letter M again, but hold the muscles after you said it. M. Hold those muscles there. Don't move them. Now, press those lips together firmly and frown a little. Now you're going to take a deep breath, and you're going to blow air through those lips, but keep them firmly together. So instead of just going, what you instead do is this. Try it. Feels silly, doesn't it? Don't worry, you're going to get completely used to doing that. But that's how we make the sound. The faster we buzz those lips, the higher the note's going to be, and the slower we buzz those lips, the lower the note's going to be. The next step is to put it in the microphone or the mouthpiece. Holding the mouthpiece between your thumb and index fingers, we're going to start that buzzing noise and then bring the mouthpiece up to it. It'll change our sound like this. You try. Once you can consistently get a buzzing sound, the next step is to try and buzz different notes. And the best way we're going to do that is with the siren. Here's how the siren works. We buzz low, and then we increase the speed of the air, and we increase the pressure between our lips to get a higher pitch. Then after we go up, we go back down, just like a siren. Let me show you what I mean. Now you try. Yours may not go as wide or as high or low, but you should be able to get a change in pitch when you do that. If you can get a little change, your goal is to work to a wider siren, like this. Widening your siren helps you build the strength to hit higher and lower notes on your trombone. And that's going to make it easier when you put it all together. All right, this is the moment you've been waiting for. The next step in getting a sound on your trombone is to actually get a sound on your trombone. We put the instrument together. There are a whole bunch of different notes that you can play on the trombone in first position. However, we're just aiming for something in the middle to lower range today. What you're going to do is you're going to set your face up ahead of time. You're going to place the instrument on your face, and I just want you to play one note, like this. Now you try it. Put the instrument up to your face, set your embouchure or muscles of your mouth, and make a sound. Your sound may be higher than mine, lower than mine, longer sounding, shorter sounding, or exactly the same. Either way, that's how you get a first sound on your trombone.